Hello, 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 beautiful people. This is your girl Candace, the hair loss specialist at Follicles Hair Restoration Salon. And today I just want to share a very quick video with you discussing the differences between hair restoration and non-surgical hair replacement. With so much information on the web and on social media, people are just overwhelmed with information and they're not getting, the accurate information. So today I just want to share with you the differences between hair restoration and non-surgical hair replacement. However, before I get started, let me share with you who I am. I am a licensed hairstylist. I have been licensed for over 20 years. I am a certified hair loss practitioner. I am the owner of Follicles Hair Restoration Salon, and my specialty is focusing on helping women and men regrow their hair back to a healthy state without using any surgical procedures. Okay, so let's get started. So hair restoration pretty much means that you're restoring your hair back to a natural healthy state, whether your hair has been damaged by chemicals or your hair has been damaged due to an illness, such as chemotherapy or anemia, any type of medical condition that you may be experiencing. So your hair will be restored back to a healthy state without using any surgical procedures. So most hairstylists will use specialized hair products or holistic hair products, such as myself, to help restore the hair back to a natural state, depending on the severity of the hair loss and the type of hair loss that an individual can be experiencing. So non-surgical hair replacement pretty much means what it says. So you're replacing your hair in a manner where you're not using any surgery. So that can be a cranial prosthesis. That can also refer to a male hair unit. You can use hair fibers. Um, you can use platelet-rich plasma, even though the PRP is used with a needle, is not a surgery per se. So those are some of the differences in services that pertains to non-surgical hair replacement. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, you can always send me an email. You can always send me a direct message, or you can also follow me at my social media, Follicles Hair Restoration Salon, and I will be more than happy to help you with any questions or concerns, or if you're still confused about the differences between hair restoration and non-surgical hair replacement, I would love to discuss it with